Let's begin Lesson 4 with the following objectives. Ultimately trying to understand the capital budgeting process. We'll talk about analyses and techniques at the heart of this process, and we'll focus on some other considerations as well. Let's start off with some fundamentals. First off, capital budgeting includes long-run planning decisions for investments. In other words, long-term projects. Capital investments themselves are long-term, and so we're talking about the evaluation of alternative investments that must consider years of activity. Multiple year spans makes the budgeting process inherently different than what we just talked about in terms of the operations, cash, and finance budgets. Let's take a look at what the normal year consideration is. Suppose we're considering the year 2015. Well, many long-term projects extend well beyond just this current year. And so whereas in the budget and income statement, cash budget, and other pro forma financial statements focus on the year at hand, the projects themselves extend well beyond it. Therefore, we need an alternative view. And with that view, we have capital budgeting. Next, we'll turn to an example scenario and talk about the various analyses and techniques that we use to engage in capital budgeting.